Welcome to the new Project Delivery Guidebook webpage. We hope you enjoy the look and feel of this new guidebook. This page provides information about the program and project development stages of the transportation system lifecycle and provides a statewide framework for project development from scoping to PS&E. I can view additional information about program development or project development by clicking on the plus sign and expanding the content. By clicking on project development, for example, I can see more information about project initiation and kickoff, project management plan, design acceptance, and more. By clicking on the guidebook icon, I can open the guidebook. Clicking on a topic in the table of contents will take you directly to the information. For example, by clicking on Environmental Studies, I can read all about what's required as part of environmental studies. The web page also has forms and templates, as well as guidance and tools. There are 20 forms available here. Some are for ODOT use only, but all have been redesigned to be user-friendly and they meet accessibility requirements. These forms aren't linked in the guidebook, allowing us to update them fluidly without having to change the guidebook itself. There's also some great information and guidance and tools, such as the life cycle graph with role definitions, business case guidance, risk management, a link to operational notices, and more. I can use this information to help guide my project work. We will update these guidance documents as needed. Let us know if you have helpful guidance that we should add to this list. We hope this is an exciting update of the Project Delivery Guidebook and that you find the information helpful and current.